Let's talk about your background picture on LinkedIn. Do you have one? I see too many LinkedIn profiles these days that still don't have a background picture. Find one that represents how you work. Give someone an idea of who you are, how you do business, what's important to you, what your secret sauce is. All of those things can be put into a background picture. It's called a LinkedIn header image. So do a Google search on LinkedIn header image, find one that really represents you and put it up there. It's very easy. There are hundreds of thousands of options. You will find one that really represents what you do and how you do it. That's what you need to have on the background picture. Take this opportunity to tell someone in an instant who you are, so that you're defined in the way that you want to be perceived and not in the way that they perceive you based upon your experience or even your headline. I'm Tammy Cabell with Career Resume Consulting. Thanks for watching.